For this scene, it was in a bar. How I started off was I just kind of looked at what the bar had, and in terms of practicals, and we were lucky enough they had like perspex strip on the floor, which we added tubes to, and we got some lamps that we put onto the side, and then we just kind of went from there. We have these two practicals, and we added B7s. These were perspex strips on the floor here, and there was already like LEDs in, but what we did, we turned off the house power and we just added some Asterias, 4 or 5, and we just went on kind of a white basis. I think, when you're mixing a lot of tones together, or 2 tones, it's nice to have a pop of white just to kind of break up the image a little bit, and I do that a lot in most of my shoots. At the background over here, we had an Nova P300 over here, that's one, and then we had another one kind of over here, and that was obviously set to red. On the bottom over here, we had another 5 smaller stereos, and that was set to red as well. Over here, you can't really see it, it's very soft. I had a 300x spot through diffusion, and that was motivating these lights over here, these practicals. Obviously the cyan color that's kind of coming onto him now, I had a dome like this, dome 300x coming from the top, but also quite sidey as well. We had another 300 in the corner, and we were just hitting it straight into the roof. So that was like kind of creating a little bit of ambience and just an overall room tone. We had a catch light, so another stereo tube, and one of my assistants was holding it while we were moving the camera. It was handheld, and it was a lot of movement in and out, in and out. Didn't want the eyes or the glasses to be dark. And that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully it helped you, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.